think this is where they do their social hour, but they said for COVID they haven't done it since COVID. So you have a long length mirror, and then you have your living room area of your TV. Right now they're doing a lot of construction, so this is our view. And they were doing construction and drilling last night at 3 a.m. And yes, we heard it. Well, I heard it. I don't know if Tyler heard it or not. Closet area with an iron, extra sheets and stuff. Then we have this little area here. Then we have the bathroom, toilet. This is the door. We're headed to Nashville Shores now. So we'll see y'all there.